Hello students of class 12th, I welcome you in today's English literature lecture. Today again we will continue the lesson The Homecoming, its 11th part. Children, as all of you know that I have completed the lesson and I have also given you the glossary. Now we will take the second part of the lesson, that is reference, context and explanation. This you have to study from the slide and write down in your classo copies and then learn by heart, because reference, context and explanation is one of the very important part of your question paper. Now the first important paragraph for reference, context and explanation is: Phatik Chakravarti was ringleader among the boys of the village. A new mischief got into his head. There was a heavy log lying on the mudflat of the river waiting to be shaped into a mast for a boat. He decided that they should all work together to shift the log by man force from its place and roll it away. The owner of the log would be angry and surprised, and they would all enjoy the fun. Everyone seconded the proposal and it was carried unanimously. अब बच्चों देखिए, ये तो आपका पैराग्राफ है. अब इसका रेफरेंस, कॉन्टेक्स्ट और एक्सप्लेनेशन कैसे लिखना है ये इसमें बता रहे हैं. रेफरेंस: These lines have been taken from the lesson The Homecoming, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Context: The lesson deals with the mentality of a common village boy. The name of this boy is Phatik Chakravarti and he lives in a village in Bengal. Explanation: Phatik Chakravarti had a group of naughty boys in the village and he was the leader of those boys. One day, Phatik and these boys were near the riverside. They saw that a heavy wooden log was lying in the mud near the river. The log belonged to someone in the village. The owner's idea was that he would shape the log into the mast for his boat. But a mischief entered Phatik's mind. He thought that they all would work together and remove the log from its place, and they would roll it away to some other place at some distance. The owner of the log would not find it. Then he would be angry and surprised. In this way, they would enjoy this fun. All the other boys agreed to this proposal of Phatik and no one put any objection. Now we come to the second reference, context and explanation. But when his mother stepped back and looked at the stranger, her anger was changed to surprise, for she recognized her brother and cried, "Why, Dada, where have you come from?" As she said these words, she bowed to the ground and touched his feet. Her brother had gone away soon after she had married, and he had started business in Mumbai. Again the reference: These lines have been taken from the lesson The Homecoming, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Context is: Phatik was a trouble to his mother. She was a widow. In the village, Phatik, her eldest son, had become a leader of the naughty boys. She thought her younger son Makhan to be a gentle boy. She was very angry with Phatik because Makhan had complained against him. Explanation: The mother was rebuking her son Fatik, and Fatik was saying that he had not done anything wrong. At this time, there came a stranger. Fatik looks ashamed to see him, and the mother was also surprised to see him. She was going to beat Fatik, but she took her steps back. Now she gave up being angry. She had recognized that the stranger was her brother. She asked her brother where he was coming from, and then she bent down to show her respect to her brother and touched his feet. Her brother had left Calcutta soon after her marriage. He had gone to Mumbai. There he had started a business and settled there. In the meantime, she had become a widow. Now he had come back to Calcutta. Then he desired to see his sister, so he had come there. तो बच्चों, ये दो पैराग्राफ जो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं, इसके रेफरेंस, कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन आप अपने क्लास कॉपी में ज़रूर लिख लें और इसे याद कर लें। आज के लिए इतना ही बस, बाकी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में लेकर आएंगे। सो थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन।